Most Excel users don't know that you can create a professional table of contents with just one click. First, go to Insert, then Shapes. Select a rounded rectangle and place it anywhere on your worksheet. Now rename the shape to TOC. You can format it however you like. Next, open the VBA editor. Go to Insert and click Module. Copy and paste the table of contents VBA code into the module. If you want the VBA code, comment TOC below. Now, right-click the TOC button. Select Assign Macro. Choose Create Professional TOC, then click OK. That's it. Now simply click the TOC button. Excel will automatically create a new table of contents sheet. It will list all worksheets in your workbook. Generate clickable links for quick navigation. Apply professional formatting automatically, and number each worksheet for a clean and organized look. One click, and your entire workbook becomes easier to navigate.